What is up guys, Dan at the site. So in this video I'm going to show you a complete beginners friendly tutorial on how to use Dext. So first you need to head over to the Dext website, and then you just simply need to log in with your Dext account, and after that you will be redirected to the homepage of Dext. So from here, on the left side you have this clients and team section, and at the left side on the bottom you have the practice settings and the collapse option. When you click on this collapse, the list will be collapsed, and when you click on expand, the list will be expanded. And then here at the top you have the option to visit your profile by just clicking here on to select an organization. And if you want to select a client, simply click on select client, and then you can just see all the list of your clients under the my business section. When you click on that, the client will be selected, and then a particular report of that particular client will be opened. And when you come back to the home page, here on the right side, you have this notification section where you can receive all your notifications. And when you click on this resources, you can just get started with all the webinars on how to articles. You can basically get the help from the Dext website. And when you click on Dext U certification, here this is the Dext U certification. You can start this by just clicking on start certification, and then in the new tab, the Dext certification will start. So Dext Academy would like to access your Dext account. Simply give it the access to take the certification test. And after that, here you can see there are multiple modules with courses. You just simply need to view and learn all these, and then you can just simply give the certificate exam. I'll just close it for now. And after that, you have your profile. When you click on your profile here, you can just see the user settings. When you click on user settings here, you will open all your settings like your first name, last name, your mobile number, your login details, your security, like if you want to add a password or if you want to change the password, you can just change it from here. If you want to add a passkey, you can just simply click on this add button to add your passkey. And if you have the authenticator app, you can just enable it, and then you can also enable your email for two-step or two-factor authentication. And if you want the single sign-on, simply click on connect, and then your Dext will be easily authenticate service of your Intuit. And if you want to extract by the email, you can just simply go into the business section, and then you can also extract your email, and you just need to enter your email. And then here you have your bookkeeping email notifications, like these are the account, security, fetch, control, bank feeds, on acknowledgement. You can choose from these, and if you don't want it, you can just simply turn this toggle off. And when you go to this approval email notifications, here you will see all the email notifications about the approval, like the approval cost, the approval sales, your cancelled items, rejected items, and many more. And on the left side, when you click on login details, here you can see the login details, the security, extract by email. Basically, these are all the features that I showed you now. And when you just go back to the home page, on the right side at the bottom, you can see this chat icon. Click on that, and after that a small pop-up will appear. So from here you can just take the Dext help, like if you're facing any issue, you can just simply click on send us a message, and then you can send the message to the Dext help support or technical support. Like if you have error from any of these problems, you can just simply click on that, and then this will provide you a solution article so that you can visit that article, and then you can work for the solution. And then on the left side, when you click on this practice settings here at the bottom, here you will open your practice profile, where you can just upload your logo, and basically you can practice everything that you want to then perform in the real life Dext platform. The practice settings include the year and date, the registered address, your city, town, the zip code, the country, and the item messaging. And when you click on practice profile, here is your practice profile, year and date, registered address, and then the item messaging. And when you click on this vault button, from the vault section, you can see all your templates, and if you want to add a template, click on add template, and after that you can just add the template. Let's say I want to give the template name, and then I'll click on add template to add my template. If I want to make it default, I'll just simply turn this toggle on, or if I don't want it, I'll just keep this as toggled off. And after that, you can also add multiple templates to your Dext account. And when you click on subscription, here you will see the subscription plan that you have purchased from Dext. And from here, you get a first month free for your trial. And when you click on authentication here, you can add an Microsoft Entra ID or the Okta ID to authenticate, or you can also enable the two-factor authentication by just simply clicking on this and then click on continue. And after that, your two-factor authentication will be added, or it will be enabled. And then you just simply need to enter all the details for your two-step authentication. And then when you come here to the vault section here, you can create a new folder. I'll just show you how I came to my vault. I'll just simply back it up and show you again. First, I got to the home page, and here you can see I have already created a folder. I'll just simply click on it once. And after that, here, this is my overview. And from here, I just gone to vault. After clicking on Vault here, I can create a new folder structure by just clicking on Create Folder Structure, and then this is the structure. This is the demo structure, but you can create your own. When you are done, simply click on Confirm, and then your structure will be created. And here, these are the tags. Like if you want to add any tags, you can add it here. And if you have downloaded something, you can see all your downloads here. This is the overall overview, and these are the costs like the inbox cost, the processing, the to review, the ready, the approvals, or the archive costs that are remaining or that you have got. Can see it here. And then when you click on the sales section here, this is the sales inbox, and the same like the cost one. When you click on this bank here, you can see all your transactions, and when you click on the statements here, you can see all the processed and the collected statements. When you click on bank accounts, here you can see all your bank accounts, and if you want to add any bank account, you can add the bank account by just clicking on this add bank account, and then you just simply need to enter all the information of your bank account. And this was the beginners friendly tutorial on Box platform. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.